Hi guys, this is 2005 Mazda 3. So this has problem is window is not going up and down. They're making it's a bigger loud noise. So you can see here, you can the switch in, and you can see the window. You can hear the noise in here. Something like stuck. So we have to pull out the door trim cover. Let us have a look. So first we need to off this the cover. So then after there's another screw here. So then we have to slide this cover. So after that you have to pull So I'm off 3 wiring connectors. So 1, 2, 3. Go to the switch for the master switch. So then after I took off the master switch, then have to put the back plug in because I have no find where's the noise coming. Another one. That's easy to off. There's a two notch in here. Can slide it. They can take it out. So after that is again do the ignition on. Okay. It's coming from the motor noise. So we found the problem. You can see here When we push down, it's not turning, that the wiper motor. See, going up, not turning. Down, it's not turning. That's an internal fault, this motor. Sometimes we shake this one, sometimes that's working to start. Now it's stuck. See, so we have to replace this motor, means the internal fault. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.